Welcome to the AH project. This is my car, basically doing it up. We're replacing the light bulbs and the headlights, so I'm going to take you guys through a little walkthrough on how to do it if you don't know how to do it yourself. This is where you want to be. Let's go. So what you're going to do first is take off the body kit or the front bumper. You need to remove these two screws because these two screws is what holds on to the front bumper. Why do you need to take the bumper off? Well, there is a bolt that's locked in behind the front bumper, and this is what holds the light in. There's two on top of the light, and there's that one that I just showed you, and that is the cunt. By the way, don't pull it like I did. Yeah, because you're just going to do that to your body kit. You don't want to do that. Don't make the same mistake that I did. So, with that being said, let's get to work. So once you remove the bumper, you just put the screws into a spot where you can actually find them, because we're going to put it back on, so we need to be able to find the screws that go to it. Alright, so you got your park light, and then you got your headlight. That one's the park light, the other one was the headlight. Both of them come out pretty easily. You just gotta fiddle around with it and it should come out. Also, another tip, make sure you buy the right fucking light bulbs. I actually bought the wrong ones. But like, I was doing the search thing on Super Cheap Auto, put my car in the garage and searched up light bulbs, and they say these ones would fit, but they actually don't. So I've got to go back there and say, hey, look, I actually need these ones. So although we can't put in the park lights, we actually can put the headlights in, because I actually got the right ones for those. So we also know with light bulbs, you can't, you can't touch the globe. You actually got to keep your fingers away from it. So I hold it at the bottom, never on the top. Just a quick tip for you. So now we've installed both headlights, and now it's time to put everything back onto the car. So we're going to bolt the lights up, and we're going to stick everything back in where it's supposed to be. At the moment, both lights are working, so it looks like I'll be driving at night. And I hope you guys learned something on how to change your guys' light bulbs and remove your headlights. That way, you won't have to pay anyone else to do it for you. I did install an aftermarket gear knob. Now with these cars, they actually have their own sort of gear knob. It has a lever to, put your gears into reverse. So I've actually took that out and replaced it with a Sparco gear knob. So if you guys want to know how to take your guys' gear knob off and actually put an aftermarket one on, I'll let you guys know in another video. But until then, this is the finished product. Headlights are working. So looks like I'm driving at night, and yeah, that's the AH project, guys, and I'll catch you later.